Yeah, I bet you this is ready to mowing some grass. I'm on the roof. So today we needed to get some more lawnmowers, so I went on the only place that I know is Facebook Marketplace, and I have found ourselves over 30 freaking lawnmowers. Right there. Daniel. Damn it, Daniel! Me and Daniel got our trailers hooked up. I found them. And today we're gonna go and load them up and bring them on over so we got ourselves some inventory. Let's go. Safety is number 4 priority.
Number 1.
Everything else.
Gravity,
number 1. One more. Can we turn the wind down?
I'm gonna try. What are you trying to do? Sideways or
Trying to go this way.
Yeah.
I think we could put the little one on the roof of the sport track.
I think so.
That'll work. Yeah. Annual power, let's go. It's a good thing you're doing all the work. I couldn't do nothing. London Bridge is falling down, falling down.
Hey. Think it's gonna fit?
Go ahead, rip it right out. Rip it right out. You scratched it. Wow, you strong. Ninja'd. Perfectly executed, with nothing that could possibly go wrong.
Yeah. Hey. Oh, yes. I'm going out.
Some quality H2O right here.
Right.
Warm.
Good.
Let me pay you guys right now so that we
Did you get the video of me in the truck making faces out the window? Did you get it? Did you get? What's that?
This is yours. Take your.
I'll take it.
You want your money? That's all you're getting for this week.
Heads or tails? You walk home. Shit.
You walk home.
Tails.
That was tails.
Ha!
I think what I'm gonna do is get one of those baskets that go on the roof, and we'll mount one permanently on there, or make a deck specifically to go on top. Something like that. Ow. It's always on, but I checked the engine this morning and it's still there. All right, so we finally made it back to the shop without any issues whatsoever. Right, Daniel?
That's right.
10 minutes earlier.
How about that? Like everything that could go wrong.
Well, at least it wasn't the front tire.
That's true. So right now what we're going to do is get all these mowers unloaded. So let's get that started. Do you want to start with that one or this one?
Start this one. Get
All
that
right,
big
yeah,
shit
this
out
is
of the
probably...
way. Roxanne.
That one wasn't even tight.
5, 6,
Who knew?
7, 8. Yep. Come on to Puppy. Come to Puppy.
Da, 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 da. You're fired. You want to be hired?
Oh, now you're fired.
No. It's fine.
Perfect. That's what skid plates are for.
You're
Upsies.
stuck.
Upsies. Does it want upsies? Oh, no, it wants off. That's nothing.
Stop it, Daniel. I think it works. I hope so. This video will get ruined if these mics don't work. How are we getting that down?
I think we just roll it off the back, like backflip.
Ready?
Nope. Yep. Nope. Fuck it. That wasn't too bad.
Go.
Oh.
It didn't work. Fits so nicely between the steps.
I know. It's like it's made for it.
I engineered it just right.
Fit all of them on more load. Well, was there actually 30 of them? We have 17, so you might need to take
Whatever was in that last pile over there we were looking at, that's because we only grabbed like 2 or 3 from over
Text
there.
that guy and ask him how many exactly there are, and we can probably just take my gooseneck back over there, honestly.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Alright, so we weren't able to get all the mowers last week, so this is the next week, and we got Chia, Daniel, that thing, and my trailers, and we're going to go get the rest of those mowers today. So.
1 million emotionally supported.
Go team.
You hear crunching, it's far enough. Oh, she was thinking.
Comment, lawnmower?
Don't say the L word.
Should name your channel comments and mowers. Or just don't buy mowers and flat tires. So who can we get a crane from? Alright, watch your hiney.
Today, Comet's Garage, we're all tired. Daniel is sitting down. Damien is recording. Keely does her thing, it just looks pretty. Chia has a mind of his own and thinks he's his own person, and I'm not his boss. Just because he's older, he thinks he knows everything.
She's the one
I am older and I do know everything.
Oh, okay. Never mind. He said it, so it's true.
I'm older, smarter,
Oh, that'd be-
wiser, and I've done more for longer with nothing.
You're not going to know what to do with all your new yard. You can come back here next week and just all be full again.
Hey, I got some mowers and sales.
So, boss man, I was thinking we put the stuff that may blow out in the minivan, unless you have a better idea.
His idea is to let it blow out.
Patrolling and trying to catch me. Riding dirty, white and nerdy. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Where's the ramp set?
It's dead.
This one good?
I was gonna say, you're gonna have to have one of them two mouths now.
We got 8.
How did you?
Easy peasy.
He's the man.
Hour later.
Do you think he'll sell that trailer? I got a way to tow it.
Is it agua?
Refreshing. This would be cool to get as a shop tractor.
How many shop tractors are we gonna have there?
Oh, dude, it already has a
PTM?
thing to look. Dude, we can use that. We gotta get this going now.
Yeah.
And we'll put the diesel motor in that.
We're not taking the motor out of my TDI, right?
No, 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 no. We ain't doing that. No. Daniel, get her keys.
Dave.
Hey, working here.
I'm walking here.
This one's even got a bumper. Woohoo!
Demolition lawnmowers. We can make 2 or 3. Just have fun in the parking lot. steering. You were in charge of that.
I'm pushing it. You steer.
That lawnmower right here, I've been excited about that one. Oh, we'll steer. Let's yeah. I like that hat, mister. Where'd you get that?
Richard,
Check
you
out
got-
his hat.
you
Got
got
little
Santa-
LEDs in it. That's the coolest freaking thing.
Oh my, right in the hole.
Metaphor, I took that seriously. Listen, I looked through the entire Virginia law book and nothing says that I can't load stuff on my roof.
Richard, you can't read.
How'd you know that? I ain't going nowhere.
There we go. Now it's safe.
He has the legal authority.
Do I?
What? That would have been like a cheese grater on my butt.
No charge.
And they called me nuts for buying a shit ton of lawnmowers, and they were absolutely right. I think what we do, and it's a perfect idea, go all the way forward, back up as fast as you can and slam on the brakes.
Snatch all
Yeah.
Feet long, it's rated for 75.
Oh. I was like, where'd my ramps go? They're right there.
Not that it matters.
Now that we got some parts in inventory, ready to sell. How do we advertise? Dang it. Darn! God! I am never going to financially recover from this. Alright, now that we got tons of lawnmowers, now we just gotta do tons of work. Daniel,
One day.
start fixing them.
One done.
59 mowers?
Yeah, I probably missed one or two.